Welcome to our channel. If you're a small business owner hiring workers and need to understand 1099ers versus W-2s, follow these step-by-step instructions to classify and report correctly. Step 1. Understand the fundamental difference. W-2s are for employees you control regarding what work is done and how it's done. 1099 NECs report payments to independent contractors who control their methods. Step 2. Apply the IRS common law test evaluating behavioral control, financial control, and relationship type to determine worker classification. When in doubt, ER toward employee status. Step 3. Have all workers complete Form W-9 before starting work to obtain their legal name, address, and taxpayer identification number. Step 4. For employees, complete Form I-9 for employment eligibility. Have them fill out W-4 for tax withholding, and enroll them in payroll. Step 5. Pay contractors as agreed without withholding taxes. They're responsible for their own income and self-employment taxes on the amounts you pay. Step 6. Issue 1099-NEC forms to contractors paid $600 or more during the year by January 31st of the following year. Step 7. Issue W-2s to all employees by January 31st, showing wages paid and taxes withheld during the year. Step 8. File copies of 1099s and W-2s with the IRS and state agencies by required deadlines. Keep detailed records, justifying your worker classifications in case of audit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.